This right here is how we successfully delivered some sets of juveniles catfish to a newly established catfish farm here in Ogun State. So, four features of an healthy juvenile catfish. Number one, they will be active and responsive like this. They should be lively, swimming actively, and that they should be responsive to movement. You understand? Number two, they should be uniform in size and shape. All the juvenile catfish should have uniform body size and shape with no deformities, bloating, or stunted growth. Number three, they would have bright skin and clear eyes. You understand? Their skin should be smooth, shiny, and are free from source discoloration or lysins. You understand? Their eyes should be clear and not cloudy. So number four, which is the last one, good feeding response. All the juvenile catfish should actively eat when fed, you understand? And a poor feeding response may indicate illness, stress, or poor water quality. So healthy juvenile catfish should at least have those four features. The delivery on this day was a huge success. Join us as we successfully install this 8 feet by 8 feet with 3 feet in height mobile tarpaulin catfish pond at Eleyele here in Ibadan. So we arrived this farm around to 10 in the morning. We left Lagos very early, and we got to the farm around after 10, and it took us just 2 hours for the proper installation of this mobile tarpaulin catfish pond. So when it comes to installation of a mobile tarpaulin pond, we can come anywhere to help you in installation. We are currently here in Ibadan around Eleyele to install this 8 feet by 8 feet with 3 feet height tarpaulin mobile pond. And as you can see, we are done with the installation. Now the next thing for us now is to do is to connect the main outlet there and also connect the inlet. Then after that we can proceed with proper treatment of this pond. Then after we are done, we can then introduce our juveniles or our fingerlings into this pond. Production had started like that. So in case you are interested in something as moderate as this, you can always send us a DM or give us a call. We are ready to work with you. Remember to share this video. You're welcome back once again to our page. We are currently at the location where we last installed the 10 trays gas powered oven. We are here today to conduct a physical training on how to smoke the catfish. One thing about us is that we don't just sell oven and leave you. If you want a training on how you can properly smoke your fish, on how you can properly regulate your oven, on how you can properly market your fish to make more money in this industry, we can do that for you if you want. So this is the ongoing training at the location going successfully. So in case you need something like this as well, you need an oven like this, you can always send us a DM or give us a call. Or if you need a personal training, a separate training on how to smoke catfish. One thing is to get oven, another thing is to know how to even make use of it. You understand? So many of us out there, we just get oven, we get fish, and then at the end of the day, we don't even know how to smoke the catfish itself. So one thing is we get oven, another thing is properly know how to smoke your catfish. So we conduct training as well if you need one. So in our training, we'll teach you how to properly degut your fish. It will teach you how to properly, regulate your oven. We will even give you an ebook, 50 pages ebook on how you can properly smoke your catfish and sell out to make more profit. So in case you are interested in something like this, you can always send us a DM or give us a call. We are ready to work with you. Location can never be a barrier.
15 popular terminologies you should know as a catfish farmer. Number 1, broodstock. Broodstock are matured catfish selected for breeding purpose. Number 2, spawning. This is the process of reproduction where female catfish release eggs and the male fertilize them, you understand. Number 3, hatchery. This is a controlled environment where catfish eggs are hatched into fries. Number 4, fry. These are newly hatched catfish, the first stage before they become fingerlings. Number 5, stocking density. This is the number of fish stocked per unit area of your pond. Also, cannibalism. This is a common behavior where larger catfish eat smaller ones, you understand. Another one is sorting. This is the separating of your fish by size to prevent cannibalism and ensure uniform growth. Also, there is what we call pellet feed. This is a formulated fish feed in the form of small pellets, very rich in nutrients, you understand. Also, supplementary feeds. These are alternative feeds like kitchen waste, maggot, or local grains, you understand. Also, water management. This is maintaining good water quality, you know, including pH and other water parameters. Aeration. This is the process of adding oxygen to your pond water. 13, flow through system. This is a pond system where fresh water continuously, you know, flows in and out of your pond. Number 14, recirculatory aquaculture system, RAS. This is a system where water is filtered and reused to maintain good water quality, you understand. And lastly, market size, you understand. This is the ideal weight and the size of catfish, usually between 1 kg to 2 kg, ready for sale. So these are the 15 popular terminologies you should know as a catfish farmer.
5 benefits of using pond cover nets in catfish farming. Number 1, protection from predators. It helps prevent birds and other animals from preying on your juvenile catfish. Number 2, prevents fish escape. You know, it helps stop your juveniles from jumping out of the pond, which is very common when they are very active, you understand. Number 3, it helps reduces debris entry. Pond cover nets help prevent leaves, dirt, and other debris from entering your pond, which can affect the water quality. Number 4, it also helps minimizes excess sunlight exposure. Pond cover net provides shade. It helps to regulate water temperature and also reduce excessive algae growth in your pond. Number 5, which is the last one, it also improves biosecurity. Pond cover nets reduces the risk of contamination from external sources like wild birds, which may carry diseases. So those are the 5 benefits of using pond cover nets in catfish farming. That will be that for today. Always remember to share this video. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.